Yo, to our cartel team beg strength for cartel in their prison for saving career. And one man when left, we are run the place for them beg strength from. When you tell me who. And
a few moments later.
And that the man alone me see tattoo him yeah bar. Me almost call him name Alkaline.
2,000 years later.
Yo, after Masicka interview last night, me would have never did want to be a Gaza fans.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
Masicka buried the Gaza ship last night. Who no big bad dancehall king. Out there big strength.
Jesus, please. It's like, no man. No man.
So the Gaza fans have this big thing about Masicka have one floor. Me glad Masicka clear up that name interview. First of all,
one eternity later.
Jamaica, now we know say a Vibes Cartel beg Masicka strength. Masicka make it clear him and Vibes Cartel was never friend.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Yeah. One thing still when come on to music me have the last thing, you know. You look at that fans them, you look at that fans them. You all come a follow. So all come slow with confusing going over the and Jackson.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Let us be honest. If I never feel Fambo, we wouldn't have anything for really a jump round in our summer about. It took a 90s dancehall artist to keep dancehall alive in 2026.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. Media Fox. How are the latest news them?
I don't know, one Media Fox funny up, you know. Yeah, man. So, I could hear your progress as man. Yeah, man.
Yo, to our cartel team beg strength for cartel in their prison for saving career. And one man when left, we are running place for them beg strength from. When you tell me who, and him name not gonna give them no strength. And one man, they are road and lock down dancehall. When me know cartel out in a prison, I wish to be sorry me other you that ain't good enough.
Yeah, man, the Alkaline that, man. And a joke thing, Alkaline. Them now get the strength of just that Vice Cartel. And I'm feeling because Alkaline now, you say you don't hold no grudge or nothing. You say at the media, create that thing there. But in your mind, you say you're not a fan of the grudges. You just not rate, say the man that give that homie Jamaican. I just one of them thing there. You see me?
You know, so me should not fight that you, this a do. Me shouldn't when get corrupt and bad man against that you, they can't see they know him lucky road. I mean, can't even beg him a strength. And one man did left for them beg strength, and him name I go give them. Him name I go give them. Because from him coming at the industry, him a get fight. And man, just like all them I say Masicka have one floor, and so they when I put stigma upon him about saying thief man flow, and thief man style, and thief man image. But up until now, that the man alone me see tattoo him yeah bar. Me I go call him name Alkaline. Alkaline alone when left for them big strength. Was it a run road? When they didn't want to get a hype off and get a strength off. But guess what? Vibes Cartel team couldn't beg Alkaline no strength because Alkaline nah go give them. And the Ongo man them couldn't beg no strength.
Because the man they drain energy, you know, bro. You see me? Them drain energy, bro. So that never did go work. You see me? All of the artists them way align themselves with Gaza. The only somebody we found out successful, the real way, a Popcorn. And you know what did go on with Popcorn? Popcorn did have a left. You understand? The other is a man them, what them do? Nothing really go on, them energy drain, them get shadow and all of them little thing there. You see me? And that's why much people don't really respect Popcorn like that. You see me? Them not calling name in a certain conversation like where they have Masicka and Alkaline. You see me? Because of the same thing there.
Believe when me tell you that. Yo, after Masicka interview last night, me would have never did want to be a Gaza fans. Imagine to find out, say, the man on our prison say I kick him a one big old traitor. I leave him live off a rest of young artists them strength. And then him go on like I man them live off a thief strength. What a thing do him, man. But Masicka when tell him say he's a snake already from in this other song. And say the snake reason so convincing. Masicka make sure Lego everything in him interview. Why? The Gaza fans they must shame like a dog right there though. How no feel if you know say all this time? Well now cause Masicka about one floor. And Masicka cartel give Masicka big song and something. How no feel if you know say all along? A cartel manager realize a cartel a Joan in a prison and in career go vanish way. and beg Masicka strength.
And I always say this, you know. I always say, look here. No man where they behind bars can't give nobody where they are road everybody I see them a tour the world, them a do this in a strength, me G. Cause nobody not see you. So if you give me in a prison, if you give man strength, me never hear this in no other genre. So when me hear that, me know say some reaching out going with Masicka. You understand? Because a prison, cartel there. You see me? So they make it seems like that. I just link make and then Sco comes cartel. Cause remember the same thing with Shenseea thing, you know. Remember say cartel you want a female pan the loody rhythm. And then the producer link rummage them. Remember that, you know? Remember say a cartel you want a female to sing the virgin there. So him did a reach out to try and get somebody. You understand? So enough of the Callob them and rare him because him need a strength in a prison. You see me? Nobody can do a road and need strength from a prison man. That even make no sense me G when nobody not see. You see it?
So the king is not really a king. When you realize say, I really the young dancehall artists them help cartel go up him thing a prison. Teegay, Squash, Chronic Law, Skilly Bang, Masicka, the whole of them will give him a little Callob. I thank Vice Cartel if you thank them and stop hype on the man them and this. Believe when me tell you that. Masicka buried the Gaza ship last night. With the big bad dancehall king. Oh, they have big strength. Me know you think a little strength cartel big when him there prison?
Yeah man, enough. Remember say David of father and say cartel link him, you know. I remember say Skilly Bang say yo cartel reach out to him. Cartel did have to reach out. And I just say go. But them always think say a people are ask strength from cartel. You see me? Remember say at the collaboration and everything kinda get cartel that strength. They win him in a prison, you know. You see me? Spice, the whole of them, everybody. Teegay, up top boss, everybody. You see me? So him did need that in a prison. You see me? Him did need that. But you see him father road now, him not to give back them man then a strength. I just say thing go. You see it?
See Masicka come reveal everything there. If I never Masicka, that big song that would have never debut.
No, you mean for Alkaline, cause when Alkaline drop after all and say yo, him have some dog with a dead theme. Them come say yo, for them dog have to live, so yeah. But at the end of the day, to me, the both artists them give each other strength cause Masicka did go on with a little thing. You see me? If Masicka never do it, maybe the song wouldn't rare. You see me? Cause a cartel reach out based on Teegay. You see me? Teegay say Ray and such and such. You see me? Cause I remember say something they run quarter, you know. Masicka they run quarter and cartel never link. So we know say them never good, but it to me look like a kind of Teegay make the thing connect in a way where Masicka say yo, Gaza genocide, and then if you don't realize Masicka change it from Gaza genocide to one side. That's why I name it one side.
No, I realize why I don't eat Masicka so. And the man one flow on a ball board. And it deliver all of the hits them way and the whole of you know. Make you not eat them so. As same way you know. You no beat Alkaline, till Alkaline to a giant one, you can't beat him no more. It don't make no sense. So we not try bury Masicka now. But Masicka to another is a giant part you know.
When we can wrong Masicka for align himself with the Gaza, that's the problem. Because from the get-go, him do interview say yo, him not take a program from Alliance and no Gaza thing. Him should have never do that. You understand? And that's why can't make it thing look kinda way, you know. You see it, him should have never align himself from the get-go. Things are more better off right now.
And since goat can't conquer crocodile. When you tell me that? Me see cartel try to friend Masicka and tame him like some little pet. I don't realize the Masicka a wild crocodile. And Masicka want to be the own thing and the own strength. One thing dancehall artists will know. You see from your heart, Vice Cartel have to friend you. And when Vice Cartel friend you, him want you wave your banner under the Gaza banner. So anything where you do, a Gaza get the glory. Dancehall artists will build on their own camp, will build on their own team and set on their own thing. A long time Gaza live off of other bad artists' strength around here. I want the best thing when the artists go do them own thing. Remember when me tell you that? You wanna try that with Masicka. See it you know? Masicka too bad for you know. A wild crocodile.
And I fax that because everybody are go there and feel like say it do nothing for them. Them now build them own things. Say Alkaline never bow and him go build Vendetta. You understand? Gully thing, I saw gully thing too, but gully giant you know. You see me? Water down the thing. You see me? That there is some of them just really strong enough if you do them thing by themselves. That's the problem. But if you want to grow, brother, it's like this. If you go grow a tree, you can't grow a tree under a tree, you know. Else you not go grow. You just have to grow and join that the tree there.
Glad Masicka clear the ear and make no ear one for ear. In man and cartel are no friend and will never be friend and them name a friend from day one. A big cartel manager, bigger strength, and Masicka sorry for cartel came in a prison and give him a strength. It's simple as that. The Gaza ship don't sink already. God go we do know. Let me see how far your strength una go live off right now. Which other artists una go run go fall under them banner right now to get back Gaza strength. God go it. So the Gaza fans have this big thing about Masicka have one flow. Me glad Masicka clear up that 9 interview. First of all, aren't you guys realizing that you're confusing flow with a signature voice and authenticity? Understand?
No, me G, I know the voice is the flow of the lines and the topics. You understand? I know the sound. You see it? Different thing in a flows, man.
And so now, confuse flow with identity in a dancehall music. How can a man with one flow a mad the whole of so and I get hits pan tapper, hits? Are you saying the same flow can fit for every rhythm a Masicka sing for? Wait, we don't have no musical sense. What are the different type of bars we don't have? We don't have no musical sense. We know I'm mixing that is Masicka authentic sound. Him signature, him identity. If you're there in the valleys and you can hear the song play, you know see a Masicka, him voice, that a theme. You know how hard it take an artist to craft him voice and get him signature voice. We don't say about Skilly, we don't say about Teegay, we don't say about everybody else who have them own voice and them own thing. We don't stop confusing yourself. Don't confuse flow with authentic voice and identity in a dancehall music where a man take years to craft. Let me ask you this to all dancehall artists. If you were to be able to in Masicka shoes, where according to the Gaza fans them, you have one flow, but yet still you are drop be it song and you make the king of dancehall who claims him as the king of dancehall can't see him sleep in bed at night time and have big anxiety attack when him hear your name.
Yeah, it a work for him. If him see something I work and him I get to talk about and just work with it. You see me? But when it comes to hit songs, I don't know, it's like the songs them just nah go to the limit there. It not the longevity. You see me? I just that. But Masicka doing thing.
And so that sound like I would rather have one flow in a dancehall and make it. Look at all the artists them who know claim say have 25 flow and them can't find a hit song. Make it make sense. Who no bad mind till no lose no musical sense. Believe when me telling you that. Jamaica, no we know say a Vybz Kartel beg Masicka strength. Masicka make it clear him and Vybz Kartel was never friend. Him and Vybz Kartel are no friend. A TJ link him and beg him a strength for Vybz Kartel kind career dead down in a prison. But no, you know, have it a bash Masicka like Infrared do more for Masicka than anything else in the world. Masicka was at the peak of career and everybody could have seen Masicka mash up the place. And TJ look upon it and say, alright, Vybz Kartel they are prisoner and a struggle. And him
because TJ I think him father one time and say, yo, TJ said to him, say, yo, in the next few years, you're gonna be the biggest thing. Vybz Kartel around the place right now, Ray. So basically TJ I tell him, say, yo, maybe he must say, yo, just give me Callob and Ray, I him around the place right now. But when you check it, just the society make you think that way there because of the politics. You see me? And because every artist want collaborate with Kartel while them don't know say brother, who know their road, you know. I who know mash up the place, you know. You understand? Cause when you check it, the man from prison I drop him songs, yes, but remember say him need them people to promote it and everything. Nobody not see him, you know. You see me? So when you do collaboration, you know kinda give him that strength there. If you realize how much collaboration Kartel do when him in a prison, how much I see a man them when him fall out him give collaboration. Tell me.
Want some strength, him want a momentum around him thing. Make we link Masicka via Callob and them link Masicka. Does it sound like a Vybz Kartel give Masicka strength too, no? Or the other way around? That no sound like Masicka dip on the peak of career and then beg him a strength to lift up Vybz Kartel thing and that happen. Gaza fans, who no get it straight. Who no see how life go? Masicka say he probably talk to Vybz Kartel about 2 times or 3 times in that entire thing. Them are no friend, no linkage, no nothing. When you just rate Vybz Kartel as a great musician, and you can't go around that. Vybz Kartel is a great musician. But at the end of the day, the way you see the Gaza fans them beat down Masicka like Masicka go run, go beg Vybz Kartel, Callob or beg Vybz. No! Masicka tell me in a song.
I see him think them do with Alkaline still, cause the man them asks Alkaline, what you think about Vybz Kartel? how you feel about Vice Cartel. The man say, I'm not feel nothing about no man. I respect Vice Cartel like every other artist. So then him ask him the question again. No special ratings of Vice Cartel. So me I say, wait, why Vice Cartel have to get special ratings? No artists. Why am I to get special ratings? And that's where the problem start. You understand? So it's like you have to bow to a man. For them look on you and say, hey. You see it? So I just one of them thing there.
Them ask me more than that one Callob there. And Masicka just give them that little thing to make them move. No see. A Vibes Cartel benefit more from infrared other than Masicka. And them beg Masicka strength. If Masicka never did that, them uno beg Masicka no strength. When TJ get drift and the other song them rich and rare, them beg TJ strength too. I want to know man, them beg Skinny Bank strength, them beg Chronic Glass strength, them beg Squash Man strength. But not go on like uno no see.
Yeah, cause if you ask me for artists, them and them reach out to them. You see me?
I go on the dancehall. And now, here is Vice Cartel out the road. And I go on the most way like every man run into him thing. And him run into the youth them thing. The moment you get hot, guarantees a Vice Cartel are running. Believe when me tell you that.
Yeah. I want things to when you come on to music have the last thing. You're the data fans, you're the data fans. You're all kind of follow. So all come slow with confusing kind of body and Jackson. I want things that Gaza have the best fans them. Followed by Vendetta. Remember me tell you. Yo, why do you play for Alkaline? Follow nothing wrong with that. Some different moves, is it? Some wider audience, is it? The broader spectrum.
Yeah. If him a follow Alka, yes. Based on him want detach himself, him not want him brand align with the Gaza thing now. So yeah, him want him own a thing. Him want him own a space. You understand him now and big no strength, all of them little thing there. You see, we understand with that. Most of the artists them can't do that because them feel like say yo if them do that them not really get the strength.
The dog them already have the dancehall base man a different level. So if you dog them must sit down with a Cliff Hughes already and Jackson. Some different audience that smart move.
Let us be honest. If I never feel Fambo, we wouldn't have anything for really a jump round in the summer about. It took a 90s dancehall artist to keep dancehall alive in 2026.
I want to get an answer from what you mean by keep dancehall, my G. You know, some feel like a TikTok turn dancehall now. What you mean by keep dancehall alive? Bro, Fambo just a, what I call comedian, my G. He's a comedian, them talk, and that is not dancehall, my G. And a dancehall that. You understand? That a internet thing, media thing. Dancehall and music, my G. Remember say the little, what you call it? Minute songs. That ain't a song with Fambo, brother. That is just like a catchy thing. That is a hype, internet controversy. That's not dancehall, bro. You understand? We don't see Fambo get bookings in Europe, Africa, all of these places. I'm also in a little Jamaican eras. What you mean by run dancehall? The man run the internet. We don't keep on a compare dancehall with internet, my G. And that's how it go. You see me, when I use internet, you say take a 90s dancehall for run. My G, where do you get that from? Why not compare internet, social media with dancehall, bro? You know, I get confused. You understand? Not because, yeah, Fambo is an artist means say, yo, dancehall this. The man is a comedian. Remember, TikTok him there and make some talk. You see me? The man that talk about Beanie Man and all of that, that not have nothing to do with the music, my G. You see me? How much? Tell me the song where Fambo have. The one when that not song, brother. That is just an internet hype controversy thing. You see, red light, pepper light, go, my G. You understand? Cause the first of all, that not even upload on platforms that do no high stream. I don't know of that. You see me? I just in a Jamaican market, we say Fambo I do some little show and all of them things. We are talking about is this song where them are booking now overseas, now Europe, now this. You understand? Them internet thing when I mix up with dancehall, my G.
Let us be real about it. It's a 90s dancehall artist. It's Fambo. Save the summer. A old dog where everybody almost step over. And him find a groove and run with it. And there is nobody out of the young camp who can outshine Fambo right now. And I have to just watch Fambo till Fambo just fizzle out. And he's not stopping. Yeah? Because people want things that is real and authentic. And as rough and rugged as you see him, Fambo is authentic. And humorously realistic about it as well.
You know what the problem? We don't love the young youths them, and that's the problem. Cause you You have to take a 90s dancehall and the young youths them can't do it. Bro, we not use some internet thing, me G. That's no problem, you know. The young youths them a get bookings all about. Bro, Fambo not get no majority of bookings, me G. I just some money, maybe I give some of them strength. It's just a hype, internet controversy when I use for say a dancehall, me G. You understand? Because real life people like it's not even actually full song. That is like when a man say, yo, this, that, Ray. It's like when Valiant say catch you at a lie and it go viral. That is just a slang, me G. And a dance at an internet thing. After now, Valiant start find the song them that is dancehall. Dancehall no music, me G. No music we are dealing with. All of the thing them with Fambo do, like 95% of the thing them Fambo do up on the internet is not music. Him a more Callob, Beanie Man, Elephant Man, all of them thing there. That a no run no dancehall, me G.
And that sell.
You see me, people? But people, big up on yourself, you know. Big up on yourself if you just make your place nice. You see it? Yeah. Only thing me can wrong Masicka for do, I ally himself with the Gaza. You see it? I just that. But nothing not too late, so make we see what go on now. Yeah man, big up on yourself, don't know 1 meter facts. That is it.